let me introduce myself. I am Dharmesh from Hisense HVAC, and today we had an amazing session and with the MEP learners, and I can see there's a lot of energy and a lot of curiosity the whole participants they had, and it was so much of fun for me to share my experience of 24 years of my VRF journey to the participants, and in the whole process I also learned a lot from them.
Amazing event with Hisense. It was very informative and it was one of the best sessions I ever attended.
Dr. Adnan has explained a lot and given a very wonderful presentation.
It was a very good session and it was a very good experience where the theoretical knowledge met with the practical what we are doing.
And I really appreciate Samir and his team. They are really doing a wonderful job. I wish them all the best, and I wish I can also be part of their journey and learn more coming days. Thank you.